Welcome to our channel. Orbi RBR20 setup using the Orbi app. Step 1. Connect your Orbi router. Plug the Orbi RBR20 into a power outlet. Connect it to your modem using the included Ethernet cable. Wait for the LED ring to turn solid white, then pulsing white. Step 2. Download the Orbi app. Available on Android and iOS. Search Orbi by Netgear. Step 3. Log in or create Netgear account. Open the app and sign in or create an account. Grant necessary permissions when prompted. Step 4. Begin setup. Tap Set up a new system. Choose Router with satellite. If you have one, follow the in-app instructions for detection. Step 5. Customize Wi-Fi. Enter a custom Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. App will configure settings automatically. Step 6. Add satellites, optional, plug in satellite units near the router. App will detect and sync them. LED should turn blue for a good connection. Step 7. Finish setup. Wait for final configuration and firmware updates. Done. You'll now see your Orbi dashboard in the app.